the week ahead is set to present a raft of fresh economic data, market participants will generally be focused on the conclusion Wednesday to the Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting, where it's widely expected the FOMC will decide to hike interest rates by another 25 basis points. The Fed statement will be followed by a Q&A by Fed Chair Jerome Powell, where investors will be looking for further clues about the future direction of monetary policy. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury note has fallen somewhat amid geopolitical uncertainties, such as this weekend's G7 meeting, as well as the U.S.-North Korea summit slated for Tuesday. The event risk has generally been spurring caution in the financial markets, with Treasury prices notching higher ahead of the weekend. Meanwhile, the market will receive new CPI data on Tuesday, followed by the PPI on Wednesday, and jobless claims and retail sales, which are out on the calendar for Thursday. There are several events lined up on the corporate side, including JP Morgan's European Auto Conference to start the week. Now, this may be interesting for those following how tariffs on imported EU steel may be affecting car makers, especially in Germany. Meanwhile, U.S. car manufacturer General Motors will hold its annual shareholders meeting on Tuesday, followed by T-Mobile's annual shareholder meeting on Wednesday. Also, Ingersoll Rand's chair and CEO, Michael Lamach, will discuss his company's long-term strategy at a UBS Industrials and Transportation Conference on Thursday. This comes one day before the release of fresh industrial production data. And Match Group, the owner of brands such as Tinder, Match, and OkCupid, also has its annual shareholder meeting on Friday. Shares of the internet-based Love Connection company had been hit hard in early May after news that social media giant Facebook was planning on entering the online dating circuit. Visit the IB Trader workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.